Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what controller you have and choosing the quickest connection method. Plug in the USB cable if available. This forces X input and avoids mapping issues. Once done, open Steam because it handles mappings. Enable Big Picture or controller settings to allow Xbox/PlayStation support. If you must use Bluetooth, pair your controller in Windows settings first, then return to Steam. This prevents driver conflicts and makes input detection reliable for Genshin Impact. Next, make Steam the translation layer so Genshin sees standard inputs. In Steam settings, enable the configuration support matching your controller. Add Genshin Impact as a non-Steam game so Steam overlays and controller configs apply. Once done, launch Big Picture, locate Genshin, and open controller configuration. Remap triggers, face buttons, and sticks as needed. Make sure the analog sticks are set to radial and dead zones tuned. Doing this gives you consistent button behavior and lets the game accept controller input. Finally, launch Genshin from Steam to ensure the controller profile loads. You should see button prompts and be able to navigate menus. If not, make sure in-game settings allow controller input or toggle full screen/windowed mode. Test movement, camera, and menu navigation. Tweak dead zones and sensitivity for comfort. If things go wrong, connect wired, reinstall the controller driver, restart Steam, or clear the controller configs in Big Picture. That troubleshooting step usually fixes conflicts, so you can play seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.